Hello everyone, good morning and good morning from Nepal. And today we are going to a morning walk, and every morning we are going morning walk because it is very good for our health. That's why we are doing morning walk every day. Okay, so now you can see here is a tiny forest, and you can listen the sound of bird. Okay guys, so now you can see here in my backside there is a small forest. Okay, so it is uh, a very tiny forest, but you can also listen the sound of bird. The natural sound of the bird is giving me different type of the enjoyment. Okay, and Nepal is full of uh, forest. If you came in the Nepal, then you will got various type of the forest. There are large type of forest also available and small type of forest also available. Okay, and now I will show you the part of Nepal. Okay, so now you can see here, this is our pathway, and we are walking through this road. Okay, so now you can see here there is a uh, little bit huge road, and this is uh, that is the off-road of Nepal. Okay, and we can travel through our vehicle from this road, and there is a small repair also available in this road. Okay, so now you can see this is a beautiful forest. Okay, and she is also coming. she is, she is also doing morning walk every day. We are coming to do morning walk on this road. Okay, so now we can see this is uh, different type of the road. This is the off-road. Before there was a very muddy road in this area, so that's why the local government and local people uh, maintained this road using this type of the stones. Okay guys, the natural sound of the bird is coming from the jungle, so it is giving a different type of the relaxation. Okay, in this forest there are different type of the birds and different type of the fruits also available. Now you can see here, here is a different type of the fruits also available. Yeah, so you can eat this one in free of cost. You don't have to pay single penny. Just you have to uh, harvest this one, and you can easily eat. Okay, so this is known as a oinchelu in Nepal, but I think in the English it is known as a mulberry. Oh sorry, not the mulberry, this is the raspberry maybe. And she is picking this type of the fruit, and she is eating, because this is the organic type of the fruit. You can also easily eat when you are coming in the summer season. You can easily find this type of the jungle fruit in Nepal, and you can easily eat this one. She is still picking those type of the fruits, and she is eating. Okay, so no, she is giving me, but I don't want to eat this one. Okay guys, so this jungle is very small, but uh, it's very beautiful. But now you can see here the condition of the road of Nepal. We have to drive our vehicles from this road. The road condition is not good. Anyway, we are very brave. Nepalese community are very brave, so that's why they are driving their vehicle through this road. Now you can see the sound of the insects. Okay, so the insects also giving me, so the insects also creating very natural music. Okay, so in this forest there are different type of the animals also available. And now you can see here, this type of the flower can be easily found in our jungle. This is blooming. Okay, this is looking very beautiful, and the color of this flower is pink. So this is looking very good. Okay guys, so now you can see here the road, the condition of road in Nepal. This type of the road can be found everywhere in our country. Okay, so this is a small way to go in the market of our Nepal. Okay, this is the rhododendron tree. Now you can see here, this is a rhododendron tree. So I can zoom this one, and now you can see this is the rhododendron tree. This is the national flower of Nepal. Okay, so hoping that you get few ideas. Thank you so much. So guys, now you can see this is the small village of Nepal. This type of the village you can find in Nepal easily. Okay, so in Nepal, this type of the village is located. Okay, so there is they are doing the farming also in this way. So they are doing corn farming in this side, and there are few bamboo trees also available. Okay, so now you can see there are few bamboos available. Those bamboos is for the domestic animal food. Okay, okay guys, so now you can see there is a small village. So this is the small village of Nepal, and the sky is cloudy today. Okay, and this is not full sunny day, just you can see the misty view of Nepal. Okay, so we came from this side, and the sky is looking very cloudy today. So guys, now you can see here, this is the small village of Nepal, and in this side you can see the misty view. And today is I already told you, the sky is looking very cloudy, and in the summer season there is a small market of our village. And in this side now you can see here, there is a rice farming is going to be happen here. So the local people is going to plant few rice in this farm.